recently bought this new hoodie, and then I also got some jeans, so I was gonna open those right now. So I ordered them off of Romwe. I'm gonna take them out and try them on really quick. So this is the outfit. It's comfy. The top is from Romwe, the jeans and the hoodie obviously are from Romwe. I don't remember where I got the belt. Oh, my hair is super cute today also. I got these little flower clips at Five Below. Okay, somebody needs to stop me from going into that store because I went in for one thing, which was this. I wanted a little vanity mirror for my desk so I can get ready, and then I could not resist these. They were just too comfy and cute looking, so I got these fuzzy shorts. They're so soft. This is another Christmas gift that I'm planning on doing as a stocking stuffer. I went back and I grabbed these because I realized that the other pair was a Kuromi pair. I could not resist, and then I got this Kuromi necklace. I got some rings. Oh, this was too cute to pass up. It's like a little keychain with Kuromi floating inside, and it's got little sparkles. They had My Melody and Hello Kitty, and there was a different color Kuromi one, but I liked this one with the purple and pink, so that's the one I picked. But they're so cute. That's everything that we got for today. Now we're gonna go and get the groceries and go home. Like a dove, feathers cut. Okay, I lied. I forgot we still have to go to the post office, and then I'm gonna drop off some books at the library that I have to return. I got home and I realized that I was starving from all that running around, so I'm literally having buttered pasta like a child so that I can eat super quick, and then we're gonna see what I got in the post office box, and then I've got some editing to do before I have to do chores and dinner and all that stuff. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, it's a little banged up. PS5 handle storage box. I'm not entirely sure who this is from because it's all in Japanese, but I will do a little unboxing video and then I'll tell you guys what I think about it. Now I'm gonna open up my new mirror. I just think it's so cute. There was like a heart one and a butterfly shaped one that I've seen before, so I was kind of hoping to go and get one of those, but then I saw this and it just happened to have a purple color variation and it's shaped like a kitty. It's so cute. This is like better than what I was hoping for, so I'm really excited about this. I don't know, I was thinking maybe I would do a little bit of like get ready with me sort of things at my desk with you guys, so I'm really excited about this. And it's a light, so you like put batteries in it, and 3 AAA batteries, which I have a million of, so I'll do that. And then here's the stand base. Gotta line it up and then twist it. I think that's secure. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh, and I just realized I can actually just put the rings that I got in here so they don't get lost. Oh my gosh. perfect. I'm back at it again with the eggs and rice. It's super easy to make and it's so yummy. It's just a comfort food for me. This is the best mayo.
I was just picking up some bits for my sister's birthday, but I thought I would just show you a few things that I've got recently in them, like even these are like Shirling Mary Janes, and then there's a bit of elastic because I ran out of pink tissue paper. I just put like all pink. Because I wasn't even going to wrap it, so I think that's better than not wrapping it, at least. So if you're really into this style of jewelry, I just got back and I have my nails are so cute and autumny. They're like a dark, like pinky red colour. I feel like I can add some.
So I just finished off my almond butter. This is my favorite one. It's like completely all natural. It's literally just almonds in the ingredients, and I like the lightly toasted one because it's got more of the almond flavor that I like. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna wash this out and take the label off because I love using these because the lids are so much nicer than mason jar lids, and it's like a wider top. So I save all of these and store food in them. So these are like my favorite jars ever. Do you ever save jars and have like a favorite jar, or is that just a me thing? This is my favorite jar. Really expensive almond butter, but I always buy this one because it's my favorite. It tastes really good, it's super healthy, and also I feel like I'm buying a really nice high quality jar. I just finished working for today. I filmed a lot of videos and I did an unboxing. I just wanted to show you the controller case that I got. This is the case. It's a hard controller case for the PS5 controller. And if you notice when I shake it around, the controller does not budge while it's in there. So I really feel like the buttons and the thumbsticks are really safe. I love how it's clear so you can see my thumb grips, which are cute little kitty paws, through the case. And I did add some stickers to it as well, so that it is more cute and my style. I had put this keychain on it for a little while, but I didn't like how it was like hitting the case so much, so I think I'm gonna try and find a soft, cuter keychain than that to add to this to make it even more adorable so that I can take it with me, and yeah, my controller will be safe and protected. Yeah, I really feel like it's secure in there. It has this clasp, and then it also, so it has these little magnets on the inside to keep it closed, and then you lock it with the clasp. I think it's really safe in there. Also, I think I'm going to replace this strap with something cute as well, because this is just very basic, but that's the one that came with it. I'll link it in the description if you want to take a look, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. I like it. Gaming accessory I didn't even know that I needed. Good morning, it's light out now, finally. I was just doing a post for Lemonade on my 3DS, and I got out all my old games. I've got Cooking Mama, Final Fantasy Tactics, Harvest Moon, obviously. I have that displayed because I really like the case. I think it's super cute, and it's just an ode to my childhood of staying up late, playing Harvest Moon, although the one I played the most was on the GameCube, A Wonderful Life, which they just remade actually. Obviously, Animal Crossing New Leaf is amazing. Zelda: A Link Between Worlds is a really fun Zelda game. I never beat it though. I'm really bad at beating Zelda games. Okay, this game is really super adorable and cute. Don't judge me. It's really fun. You just like get puppies and kittens and take care of them, and it's super basic, but it's really relaxing. And of course, Super Mario Bros. I feel like I need to get another case and start collecting more games because I don't have enough, I think. So this is my oat milk that I just made for today for my matcha latte, and I'm gonna strain it, and with the leftover oat pulp, I'm gonna try and make a breakfast cookie today. So last time I tried to make it, it did not work. So I'm gonna try again. So I'm preheating the air fryer. Here's the bowl we're gonna use. Basically, we take oats and a banana and mash it up, and then throw in a couple other things and plop it in the air fryer, and it turns into a delicious cookie. If you don't peel your bananas from the bottom, you're doing it wrong. So now we're just gonna mash her up. We need a teaspoon of baking powder. Remember my almond butter jars that I was telling you about that I save and use for everything? This is one of them. And I think whenever you use oats, you need a little bit of salt, because it's just a rule. I used to add a scoop of protein powder to this, but I don't have any, so we're gonna skip that today. I like to add a little bit of flax seeds as well. I love walnuts, so I'm going to add some walnuts. Okay, now we're going to turn this into a cookie and put it in the air fryer. So you need parchment paper for this. Plop it on in there and kind of shape it into a cookie shape. And to make it a little bit sweet and yummy, I'm going to add some dark chocolate chips to it. This is enough sweetness for me. You can add maple syrup or honey or sugar, whatever, to this to make it sweet, but the chocolate chips are enough sweetness for me because I don't really eat sugar, so I'm going to leave it like that, and now we're going to put it in. Okay, let's see how it turned out. I think it came out perfect. It's ready. So here's everything that we got from Five Below. First up, of course, we got the My desk is a hot mess right now, but I'm really proud because I just did my first ever gameplay video and I did Little Nightmares because it is almost Halloween. I don't think I'm going to be able to finish the whole game in time for Halloween, but I should be able to do it by the end of the week, I'm hoping. Next week, that is. So yeah, make sure you check it out. I'm super excited. I didn't use a face cam or anything, but I had a lot of fun and I used my Razer Siren mini microphone, and I actually was using the Sensor headset that I unboxed the other day because the sound is really good, but I didn't love the microphone quality for the recording, so that's why I pulled out the Razer. And then obviously I was playing on my Xbox Stellarship controller. It's so pretty. Not that you could see it. I'm proud of myself because I've been putting this off for so long. I've been wanting to make gameplay videos and I just was afraid to do it. So I went outside my comfort zone and I did a little recording, and I hope you check it out. It's super fun. It's very much a spooky game though, so if you're not into that, then maybe don't watch it. But I had fun making it, so yeah, now we're gonna take a little break and recuperate while it's uploading, and then maybe I will try and get some more work done. It's Friday afternoon. I still need to beat Lies of P. Oh, and King Gizzard released a new album yesterday, so I'm definitely gonna be listening to that tonight and just having fun and maybe do a little listening party, so.
I have to start somewhere.
Sounds great. Maybe not great, but you were a lot better than those others.
Do you really think this is worthwhile?
Yes. Trying to explain things childishly. Pizza Base Princess. I bet if I was Princess Bubblegum Buns or Sugar Plum Buns Princess or something, things would be way different. They have absolutely no imagination. Her name is Miranda Hudson. I don't know if I can call tree trunks by that other name.
I couldn't help myself when we were at Target. I had to get these 2 volumes. I really want to start collecting Chainsaw Man. I love the anime, and these were only $7.99 because they were 20% off. It looked like all of the manga pretty much was 20% off, so I didn't know Target had manga, but now that I know, I will definitely be checking for like popular ones. The cover art is just so cool, and I'm very excited to start reading it because the anime is so good. This is one of my favorite series at the moment. And of course we got volume 2 as well. Power, she's so cool. I'm very excited to start collecting this. I can't wait to start reading it.